Buyer activity is down 9.5% from last year at this same time, and new contracts fell 13.7%, and sellers are staying on the market 37% longer this week than last year this same time. It's Friday, March 7th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. 18.3% new inventory came to the market this report. While buyer showing activity, this report is off 16.3%. There are 1,667 homes listed for sale, a 2% week-over-week rise. 138 homes are coming soon. 184 homes went under contract in 22 days. 149 homes settled at 97.4% list-to-sold ratio, with days on the market falling to 36 days this report. Homes for lease fell again this week to 104, remaining at $2,000 median per month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, March 7th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.